Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
The Predator. A group of men gets stranded in a jungle with a beast of whom they do not speak. One by one they go missing and skinned bodies are found in trees. Then, when the only survivor of a previous beast encounter appears, they realize they're in worse trouble than they thought.
The fifth wave. The host, a parasitic alien soul, is injected into the body of Melanie Strider. Instead of carrying out her race's mission of taking over the Earth, Wanda forms a bond with her host and sets out to aid other free humans. Riddick.
Age of Tomorrow.
When Earth falls under attack from invisible aliens, no military unit in the world is able to beat them. Major William Cage, an officer who has never seen combat, is assigned to a suicide mission. Killed within moments, Cage finds himself thrown into a time loop in which he relives the same brutal fight and his death over and over again. However, Cage's fighting skills improve with each encore, bringing him and a comrade Emily Blunt ever closer to defeating the aliens.
Tell us in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions you might have. Thanks and see you soon!